Knowledge will bring you the opportunity to make a difference. Welcome to the Kanpur Institute of Technology, where students enjoy academic success. In 2004, we set out with the dream to provide quality education in a city known for its quality education and excellent study culture. And today, we are named amongst the first-rate engineering college for an exceptionally experienced team and amazingly established alumni. We realized that the real education can only be passed on when the quality of education is maintained and consistently improved year after year. This year, KIT has been ranked 7th private engineering college in whole Uttar Pradesh by Times of India. Our vision is to transform ignited minds to technocrats and managers who are globally competitive, highly skilled, with positive mindset and work as a cohesive team to contribute to the needs of the country and world at large. We aim for the best in academic excellence, values, research and development. This requires training students in world-class competencies so that they can face the challenges of global markets with confidence. The Indus Technical Education Society, or ITES, was formed with highly inspired educationists with a vision to develop world-class education.
Having graduated from IIT, we wanted to give quality educational opportunities, especially to all the students from Kanpur and surrounding areas who could not get into the IITs. Again, being IITians, society expects us to be quality oriented, and we assure everyone that KIT is a quality institution which we hope someday will become one of the best institutions in the country.
The lush green and spacious campus spreads over 25 acres of landscape with all facilities and necessary infrastructure to run the specialized courses in engineering, management and pharmacy. The campus has detached hostels for both boys and girls. The campus encompasses throughout Wi-Fi connectivity with 3 academic and administrative blocks. The college has lecture theatre, AC-fitted classrooms, tutorial rooms, administrative office, reception lounge and the visitors room. We also have seminar rooms, labs, workshops and smart classrooms for every department to enhance education quality. For engineering aspirant students, Kanpur Institute of Technology has a lot to offer. KIT offers courses in BTech, MTech, MBA, MCA and B Pharma, Computer Science and IT. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering has one of the best infrastructure, including domain-specific labs which support 700-core i3 5th generation desktops with 5 servers. The faculty and students enjoy the finest network and software services, educational technologies and resources accessible from anywhere in a disciplined framework. Electronic and Communication Engineering. The primary objective of the department is to impart quality education, training and research at the undergraduate, postgraduate levels in various areas of electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering. Electrical and electronics engineering is a field of engineering that generally deals with the study and application of electricity, electronics and electromagnetism. The department is well equipped and has lab facilities in the areas of electric machinery, computer-aided power systems analysis, linear circuit analysis, control system, Mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is an engineering discipline that involves the application of principles of physics for analysis, design, manufacturing and maintenance of mechanical systems. The department is equipped with the sophisticated machines like CNC machines, milling machines, robotics arms, etc., giving platform to students to have interface with the latest industry trends. MCA, Master of Computer Applications. The course was designed to meet the growing demand for qualified professionals in the field of information technology. It's a postgraduate course that can be taken up after obtaining a bachelor's degree. The MCA program is inclined more towards application development and thus has more emphasis on latest programming language and tools to develop better and faster applications. B.Pharm. B.Pharm is one of the popular job-oriented course among the science students. The course trains students in many aspects and focuses on the study of biology, pharmaceutical chemistry, biochemistry, medicines, physiology, pharmacology, dispensing, etc., and makes them ready to take on various roles in pharmaceutical and related industry. MBA. MBA programs at KIT take a long-term view of business education and prepare students for long and fulfilling careers. Our multidisciplinary, application-based curriculum provides life skills and practical knowledge that allows us to create innovators, thought leaders, and entrepreneurs who can reinvent the future of doing business in new ways. Through these programs, we enable our students to become business ready and lead from the day they step into industry. Library. It has specialized collections of more than 15,000 books, journals and other resources in sciences, engineering and technology, biotechnology and management, ranging from printed books, e-books, back volumes, CDs, DVDs, video cassettes to audio. It is centrally air-conditioned, well protected with fire alarm and CCTV surveillance. Hostel and mess facility. KIT gives privilege to students to have the feeling of home away from home by offering them well-furnished, comfortable, safe and separate hostels for boys and girls inside the campus. Facilities. 24 hours electric power supply with generator backup. Adequate ventilation and lighting facilities. Computer facilities available on all days till 11 p.m. Mess. A hygienic and sanitized mess complements the residents and the non-residents with a diversity of tasty and healthy food. Kanpur Institute of Technology has an established transport system which connects to all parts of the city and most of the places around the city. Life at KIT. Besides imparting theoretical knowledge, the syllabus stresses on developing analytical skills, communication, problem solving and teamwork abilities. At KIT, you learn not only studies and expertise, but also the art of living life to fullest. From the beginning of the session till your last day at college, the life here is the best blend of diverse activities. Sports. College organizes numerous sports activities and events. The Clutter believes in the famous saying, "Sports do not build the character, they reveal it." KIT maintains the high standards of professional behavior. A close linking between our institute and various industry experts has shaped an excellent placement record. More than 400 students are selected in over 90 companies, and the institute firmly believes to increase these numbers in near future as our students are attaining new heights each day.
KIT means placement is a slogan of which we are very proud. In 2016, we have been able to give at least 15 opportunities to each and every student with over 100 different companies visiting the campus. We are jubilant that 402 students have been placed through campus placements. Our pride is our students placed in Wipro, TCS, Infosys, Cognizant and Capgemini. This has been the culmination of our efforts of last many years, wherein 80% of our students have been placed through campus placement every year. This has been the culmination of our efforts of last many years, wherein 80% of our students have been placed through campus placement every year.
Awards and recognition. KIT has been able to achieve awards for outstanding work in education. These awards not only appreciate the good work but also act as a catalyst to perform even better every year. Bestowed with National Education Excellence Awards 2016, bestowed with Vigyan Ratna Award 2013, bestowed with Excellence Award, declared as one of the best engineering institutes by Dalal Street Survey, nominated amongst India's Best Engineering Institute by India Today, bestowed with Edupreneurs Award 2013, Center of Excellence for Technical Education in UP by India Today, awarded as the most promising engineering college.
I think if we talk about our performance of past 3 to 4 years, then our achievements are phenomenal. For example, this year KIT has been able to place more than 400 students. So we at KIT not only focus on students' personality growth, but we also make them industry ready. I'm also proud to tell you that this year KIT has been awarded the best engineering and management college in the whole of Uttar Pradesh.
We bring a close connection between research and teaching at all stages of academics and believe in research-oriented studies. We are constantly working to build up scholars, and our focus never deviates from the advancement of engineering. We at KIT welcome all new students to achieve success in life, and we assure that the hard-working and dedicated team of KIT will assist you in giving shape to your fresh ideas in development of new India, skilled India.